Welcome to Metalogic SharePoint Backup Academy Session 3. Today's about recovery essentials, which I think is probably what everyone's the most interested in, right? So today we're going to cover farm backup and restore from a very high level. We're going to talk about what specific components are getting backed up, where those backup sets are getting stored in our environment, and what the difference is between in-place and out-of-place restore in respect to the farm level component backup. And then we're going to switch gears over to granular restore, which is really kind of the bread and butter of this tool in my opinion. And we're going to talk about, the actual technical mechanism for mounting backup sets into an instance of SQL Server. We're going to talk about selecting what backup set type we're working with, defining the SQL instance that we're going to be targeting for the mount, performing that mount, and then what's going on behind the scenes, the nuts and bolts of what that mount operation consists of. Then we're going to talk about selecting the data from within that mount to restore and navigating through the mounted data, et cetera, et cetera. And we're going to talk briefly about including the mount operation within a scheduled backup, the options you have, and what the considerations and ramifications of doing so may be. The only thing I don't have on this list that I really want to touch on briefly at the end of this is self-service recovery. So we're going to take a look at that very briefly from a high level. We'll just take a look at the mechanism, what it looks like, how to deploy it, et cetera, et cetera.